Alright, so now we're in the second month. Something that's super important is meal prepping. A lot of people have a lot of issues with meal prepping, but something that a lot of people don't know is that meal prep can be very easy, okay? And specifically for this week, take some beans and some rice and make a lot more in one sitting than what you usually do, okay? If you live a very busy life, of some way, somehow you do, just when you're making that one meal before your week starts, make a lot more, okay? So if you usually take 1 can of beans, or if you take a little bit of beans, a cup of beans, take 3 cups of beans, or take 3 cans of beans, right? Or however much that's going to equate to 3 days worth of beans and rice. So what I want you to do is one sitting, when you're making that dinner for that one night, I want you to make enough beans and rice to put to the side in some containers that you can take with you when you go to work, or when you're going out to, I don't know, traveling with some friends, and you want to make sure you stay on this journey, right? So make enough beans and rice, or beans and quinoa, and make that stretch for 3 days specifically. And then of course, you know, take some greens, right? Or, you know, some squash, or some, you know, whatever else that you would put with that, and have that for the next 3 days, okay? That is gonna be your meal prep. Just beans and rice. Just start small, okay? Start small, have the beans and rice, get you a tortilla, right? Or a lettuce wrap, right? Wrap all that together, put some veggies on top, right? Have your side, as well as maybe have a drink or something like that. But the other 2 items, don't worry too much about. Just mainly focus on the beans and rice for right now. And then at the end of the week, let me know how, you know, everything's going. And that right there really should drastically change your overall outlook on meal prepping, because it's incredibly easy. But try that for a week, and then at the end of the week, I'll catch up with you to see, like, you know, how it all went for you.